Welcome. Today, we're diving into a quick practical guide on a topic a lot of people ask about: how to make everyone see your birthday on Facebook. If you're curious about updating who can view your special day, you're in the right place. Let's walk through the steps you can follow right now. First, open the Facebook app on your device. Once it's up, look for the three horizontal lines, often called the menu, and tap them in the top right corner. This opens a menu with lots of options, so you'll be navigating carefully through a few screens to get to the right place. From the menu, scroll down a bit and tap Settings and Privacy, then choose Settings. This is where Facebook keeps most of the personal controls you can adjust. It's where you'll manage how your information is shared and who can see it. Next, under Account Center, tap Personal Details. This section holds your basic information, and your date of birth is one of those key details. Tap Date of Birth to access the visibility options for this information. Here, you'll see who can see your birthday on Facebook. Tap Change Visibility on Facebook to modify who can view your birth date. You'll see different audience options, and this is where you decide how public you want this detail to be. To proceed with making it visible to everyone, choose Public as the visibility setting. Confirm your choice and you're almost done. After selecting Public, be sure to save your changes. Saving ensures that the new visibility setting sticks and your birthday becomes visible to anyone who views your profile. It's a small adjustment, but it can change how people interact with you on the platform. A quick heads up: making your birthday public means anyone on or off Facebook can see it. Consider your privacy preferences and whether you're comfortable with that level of exposure. If you ever want to revert, you can go back through the same steps and switch the visibility back to a more restricted option. That's the streamlined path to adjust your birthday visibility.